I'm Madhukar from Patta City. Please mute yourself. I welcome you all and I'm grateful to you for being here today with us. Every system in the body needs oxygen. The importance of proper breathing for health and fitness cannot be ignored. Let's say goodbye to 2021 and welcome 2022 by learning the technique of proper breathing and meditation from our guest speaker, Mr. Ronak Gajjar. I would like request Vijaya to please formally introduce Mr. Gajjar to us. Thank you. Over to you, Vijaya.
Thank you, Madhu. Good evening, everybody. Today, the Dignity Foundation welcomes Mr. Raunak Gujjar, our guest speaker of the day. Today, which is very, very essential, especially during COVID times. People have been suffering with, lung problems and the need for oxygen. So the old traditional breathing techniques are very much required today. So Raunak Gujjar, masters in yoga and meditation, state of being consultant and life coach, practitioner in various healing modalities, Reiki, sound bath, chakra balancing, and he is also software tech support, years of experience in the field of healing, meditation, pranayam, and overall wellness. Raunak has represented India in UAE's annual yoga festival as the youngest teacher, a meditation brand ambassador for Fit India movement launched by our Honorable Prime Minister to create awareness and promote mental fitness. He has taught yoga, meditation, and pranayam to over 6 million students through online and offline medium, India and abroad. He has been actively conducting workshops for entrepreneurs and CEOs and senior management to drive the importance of fitness and health. I just cannot imagine how one can teach 6 million students. I mean, we're very, very eager to hear all from Mr. Raunak Gujjar. Thank you very much. And now over to you, sir.
Thank,
Raunak, please
thank,
take over.
thank you. Thank you so much, Vijayaji. Thank you, everyone. And I'm grateful that you all took out time to attend this session live. So first story first, how it happened with 6 million people, right? So, and we will continue with the power of breath. It all started, my journey started when I was 2 years old. I was blessed. कभी कभी कहते हैं कि आशीर्वाद होता है या पिछले जन्मों का कुछ होता है जो कंप्लीट करने ये जन्म में आ जाते हैं, राइट? सो माय पेरेंट्स met a master, a Guruji in Shirdi, next to Shirdi, and I was taken there when I was 2 years old. So I was initiated Guru Mantra and Diksha and stuff like that. But I stayed in the material life. I stayed in Bombay, born and brought up in Bombay. And as I turned 18, I was practicing some meditation with parents and some breathing exercises, what was taught in the ashram, but nothing very solid, like very solid or no intense practice, which happened after I worked in corporate for 4 years. So 4 years as a software tech support engineer, then moved to completely different field into yoga and meditation, where I traveled all across India, in Mysore, in Rishikesh. I stayed for a few months. I stayed in Bali. I stayed in Dubai. I stayed in Delhi, Pune, Iyengar. So I stayed at different places and studied. And I don't know how many of you are from Bombay or Pune, and anyone knows Bhel. Everyone knows Bhel. Who loves Bhel? Right? Bhel, correct? So I traveled all across India because India mein people love bhel. Accumulate everything from everywhere and give the best. That was my motto. So मैंने भेलपुरी बनाई, सब जगह जाके सीखा, and then I understood that first was fitness into yoga. So लोगों को weight कम करने का बहुत ज्यादा चस्का रहता है. Like they have a very deep craving that I want to lose weight. I started that, but after some time, I realized, like after 3-4 years of teaching physical yoga, that is asanas only, I understood that the whole game is in the mind. Whether you are happy, you're sad, I have, and you may have more experience, right? You have so many friends and relatives who can eat a pizza but not gain 1 kilo, who can eat a full bowl of rice from South India, right? We can eat full bowl of rice but no weight gain. Why does it happen? What is the reason? So that's where I started studying deeper into breathing. With breathing, there are so many things which can be changed. So many mental stress, anxiety, or you're not able to remember things. All those things can be changed. Even back pain and knee pain can go with breathing, if I tell you. So how did it happen? How did it all happen? I went to an ashram which is called, you can remember the book's name. It's called Living with Himalayan Master. Living with Himalayan Master is the Swami Rama. The book's author is Swami Rama. He is no more, but he was one of the pioneers. He was the first yogi guru who went to the doctors and said, check my heartbeat, and he could stop his heartbeat. Now that's an extreme thing because he practiced pranayam for, let's say, 10 years, 20 years in a cave. That's why he could do it. But he taught his pranayam technique to his student, and his student is my teacher. So 2 lineage above. So my teacher, his teacher, and then Swami Rama. It was that way. Where I learned that everything, every emotion, every mental condition, every emotion and every mental condition can be balanced with your breathing. Why? Now we will make it, we'll ask the questions at the end, but I'll just answer what happens, right? Why God has given us nose here. We are all into science now. We are in Zoom and on internet only. I'm very lazy person, okay? Because I'm into meditation. I close my eyes and I say that universe and God and divine will take care of everything. So I'm very lazy at marketing. Now also, some friend, some teacher, some guide, refers, then I get a student. Otherwise, it's okay. No problem. So that's where I reached 6 million with one company. They promoted, they marketed, they did everything. Now, coming to the nose, why God has given us nose here? Lungs are here, right? Lungs are here. You should have the nose here, so it can be easy for lungs to take in maximum oxygen. But why here? Why on the face? And many of us have seen alien photograph, no nose, right? So our nose is based here on this portion of our face, main primary reason. So one is we inhale oxygen, everyone agrees, right? Everyone agrees oxygen. But in yogic and meditation scriptures, there is much more than oxygen. That is called, the word is called, and everyone has heard that name, prana. Prana is the power of that breath. So one is the breath, oxygen, nitrogen, this, that, hundreds of gases we take in, and that's where we extract oxygen from it. So you're not inhaling pure oxygen right now also. You're inhaling mix of gases, and your lung has the power to extract oxygen. But the other thing, the other material, the main material which is giving us energy with breathing is called prana shakti or prana. Prana, P-R-A-N-A, prana. Now, why nose is given here and why 2? You need only 1. You have 2 lungs and you have 2 nostrils. Why 2 nostrils? Why not 1? 1 big, so you can take maximum in and maximum out? No. Why? The reason is your right side. Again, this is all as per, right now, Science is catching up at super high speed, and there are millions of dollars invested on breathing, the heart rhythm, how the breathing affects your heart rhythm, and how it can calm your brain. You will see in another 5 years, you can close your eyes wearing this specs and reach to a meditation place sitting at your home. The metaverse, the Facebook is already trying to have the virtual world. We are also in virtual world meeting each other, right? How many 78 people we should have been like in a big hall. But how it's happened, 500 people, 1,000 people can come on this Zoom class. So 2 nostrils, 1 nostril, your right, again, you can remember, you can write whatever works for you. Your right side connected to your left brain, right nose connected to the left brain, and left nose connected to the right brain. Now you will say, Ronak, why this gadbad going cross? Again, everyone, few people, and someone said that, no, your tattoo, sir, is very nice. So why this tattoo is for throat chakra, the throat. There are 7 major chakras in the body, and every chakra has a physical connection in the body. Some wiring is there. Software, it is like software and hardware, right? So when your right and left is crossing here, your all thinking happens on this place. अभी मैं एक experiment करेंगे. आंखें बंद करो, close your eyes, and don't imagine a lemon. Don't think about a lemon. Close your eyes and focus on your third eye between your eyebrows, your bindi point, your tilak point. Don't think of a lemon. Don't think of that yellow color lemon. Don't let your mouth water. That नींबू की खटास मत आने दो उसको मुंह में. नहीं सोचना है, नहीं सोचना ही नहीं है. Take a long deep breath in and relax and slowly open the eyes. How many of you thought of a lemon and yellow color? Yes. जो mind को मना करते हैं, you should not think. I'm telling you not to think. Mind will always think that. It will go round and round. But when you are doing your pranayama, you are balancing the breathing, so your focus, this portion, starts to calm down, starts to relax, because this is your screen, your TV screen, where all the channels are continuously changing. After every 5 seconds, some channel is changing. First son is coming, then daughter is coming, then husband is coming, then wife is coming. So we are thinking so much. And that is where we invest, or that is where our prana shakti is wasting. There is a leakage in that pot. If you imagine you have a pot full of prana shakti and there is a hole, that is overthinking. सोचते रहते हैं, विचार करते रहते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ. And mind को जो मना किया जाता है, don't think of a lemon, वो ही ज्यादा सोचते हैं. Don't think कि बुरा हो जाएगा, but we will think of the extreme बुरा, right? So today we will learn one of the most powerful breathing exercise, and everyone can do it. Everyone can do it unless आपका नाक बंद है, right या left. कोई भी नाक बंद है तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. उनके लिए मैं I will give an alternate breathing, but the most powerful breathing. Now, why do I say, after learning so many breathing exercises, there are how many breathing exercises? There are 1600 pranayams. How many? 1600 pranayam hai. पूरे वर्ल्ड में 1600 combination के प्राणायाम है. And on the internet, you will have 30-40 maximum. But to keep calm, because in last 2 years, जो हमारी savings थी, जो हमारा हिलना डुलना मिलना था लोगों को, वो पूरा last 2 years में पूरा change हो गया. अभी 70 people I'm meeting, but I'm meeting online. Right? हम energy physical space में नहीं, but virtual world में share कर रहे. We are sharing energy in the virtual world. Right? So in last 2 years, our mindset is going through a major transformation. Right? Now, in that case, the number one breathing exercise to keep calm at every point of time, because what we need is to keep calm. 24/7 we have phones around us with that, all the vibrations from 5G, 2G, 3G, all the internet network. So too much technology, we don't take break, and that's where मन की स्थिति बहुत गड़बड़ डामाडोल हो जाती है. Right? It keeps on moving up. One phone call from a friend, oh, I'm not feeling well, you get stressed. Right? And that should not be the case. We should have our balance and equilibrium, and it does not matter whatever age you start your pranayam. प्राण शक्ति है, इसीलिए हम है. ब्रीदिंग चल रही है ना, किसी की ब्रीदिंग नहीं चल रही है, thumbs up. Right? सबकी चल रही है. Great. So how do we, that's a good news. So now we can do the breathing. Now second thing, to check, is your nose working or not working? Is your nose blocked? Basically blocked or not blocked? ठीक है? तो राइट हैंड का पहली उंगली लेके नाक को बंद करे राइट साइड, एंड इनहेल करे लेफ्ट से, थोड़ा जोर से, एंड रिलैक्स करें. अभी जिसकी वो साइड की नॉस्ट्रिल खुली है, थम्स अप. Okay, many it's open. Now block the other side and inhale from the other side. मेरी राइट थोड़ी कम खुली है. So now you can check which nose is blocked. Every 2 to 3 hours the nostril switches. 2 से 2.5 घंटे या 3 घंटे में राइट बंद है, वो लेफ्ट बंद हो जाएगी, फिर लेफ्ट बंद है, वो राइट बंद है, वो स्विच होती रहेगी. और दोनों कब खुलती है? जब रसगुल्ला होता है सामने, फेवरेट फूड होता है, अच्छे पॉजिटिव लोगों से मिलते हो, बात करते हो, अच्छी बातें करते हो. सो दैट some few minutes in a day, that is the design. Okay, that is not Ronak saying, that is the design. Manufacturing design, that both the nostril will open when you're happy, when you're eating your favorite food, you're talking to your loved ones, and you're hugging your loved ones and being with them. Only that time both the nostrils are open. दूसरा तरीका, स्टीम लेना जरूरी है ना. लास्ट 2 years everyone has got a habit to take steam. नहीं हुआ है तो start today. ठंडी का भी मौसम है. Little water, if you want to put eucalyptus oil or you don't want to put any oil, just water and steam लेना है. So your both the nostrils are open. Your lungs power, your prana shakti power or inhaling power will increase. Okay, so how do you do this breathing exercise, and how should you do it? The technical part, back has to be straight. If I'm talking like this, will you like it? कि अरे क्या सर, कैसे बात कर रहे हो, right? How are you talking? Back very important, because all the breath energy goes into your spine. All the breath energy goes into your spine, and spine is connected to 90% of your internal organs. How? See, Ronak from head above only has face, head, some basic elements here, but from this place to this place, neck to stomach, all the internal organs, which is major function, respiratory system, digestive system, and all the other glands are only in this portion. The master is here, but the glands and the functioning is here, right? So back has to be straight. If I put like this, the pressure is on lungs and stomach, and breathing अच्छी नहीं होगी. So back straight. Right hand, how do you use your right hand? Your right hand, you can drop the first 2 fingers. पहली 2 उंगलियों को गिराना है, पहली 2 उंगलियों. Yes, yes. Now block your right nostril from your thumb. Now, without any sound, you're inhaling from the left, without any sound. Block your left from the ring finger. आंखें खुली रखनी है. And exhale from the right side. Now breathing in from the right, very slowly. Block your right and exhale from your left. अभी जिनको उंगलियों का स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, कोई भी उंगली यूज करो, चलेगा. आंखें बंद. Now continue. Inhale from one side. Block and exhale from the other. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale from that side very slowly. No sound. कोई भी आवाज नहीं आनी है inhalation के time. Block and exhale from the other side. 30 seconds और बस. Inhale. Block and exhale from the other side. उंगलियों को स्विच करना है और दूसरे साइड से. Now breathe in from that side. Block and exhale from the first side. Last 10 seconds to go. Breathing in. Block and exhale and relax your hands. Now slowly rubbing your palms together. Cup your palms on your eyes. Cup them. Then move them on your face, neck, shoulders. And slowly open your eyes. You feeling a little more calmer? Yes, already Anuradha ji, thumbs up. Rekha, yes. Did you feel calmer? Great, 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 great. Thank you, Asha ji, Shishila ji, Beena ji. Nice, nice. Thank you, Hira ji. Thank you. So, क्या किया हमने? कुछ डिफरेंट किया? नहीं. बट ये प्राणायाम अनुलोम विलोम नहीं है. नहीं. आप जो इंटरनेट पे देखेंगे वो अनुलोम विलोम ऐसे करते हैं. जो दूसरों के लिए सही है, हमारे लिए calmness, being more calm and relaxed is important. The अनुलोम विलोम is, इससे क्या होगा? जितना आप स्पीड में, जितना आप एग्रेशन से ब्रीथ करेंगे, उतना प्राण शक्ति इज डेड. प्राणा इज डेड. The more slower you breathe, your lungs has the power to absorb the prana shakti, the prana energy. If you breathe like this, अब गुस्सा कैसे आता है? तो गुस्सा लाना है कि calmness लाना है? You want to become calm, right? So breathe very slowly. No sound should come. Then hold. Now जिनको finger का confusion है, forget it. ये दो उंगलियां, वो भी चलेगा. Because this is a mudra. This is a mudra. It helps in a long run. But as a beginner, you can do this also. This will work. This will work. There are various ways to do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Multiple ways. But, and as you advance, जितना advance प्राणायाम आप ये रोज 5 मिनट करेंगे, आपको नींद अच्छे से आएगी, टेंशन नहीं आएगी किसी बात की. Plus, you will wake up with fresh energy. What time of the day you should do this? Early morning as you wake up, whatever time. जब भी आपकी आंख खुलती है, तभी ब्रह्म मुहूर्त है. Simple. Don't wait for 4 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Doesn't work. If you think that you have a divine in you, you wake up at 12 o'clock afternoon. Brahma Muhurat is for you 12 o'clock. Simple. There is no Brahma Muhurat because see, सब books में लिखा गया था, वो time, वो era अलग था. आज हम जितने बजे उठेंगे, हमारा सिस्टम का ब्रह्म मुहूर्त भी होता है. ये कोई नहीं बताता है. As you wake up, you first clear your stomach, then go for, brushing your teeth, having a shower. So your system has a Brahma Muhurat. Don't follow 4 o'clock. It will not work. It doesn't work for everyone. So early morning as you wake up and night before you sleep. Now, why these two times? As you wake up, what happens is certain frequencies are active. So there are 3 to 4 stages of our brain. Brain को capture कैसे करते हैं? Now, सभी लोगों ने हार्ट का वो तो देखा हुआ है, हार्ट का ग्राफ मूवीज में ऐसे 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 ऐसे. Same way your brain also has a frequency, moves like this, like this, like this. So there is an alpha frequency, beta frequency, gamma. Now forget the scientific name. सबसे powerful time in a human body we have is the moment you wake up. First 15-20 minutes. तो उठते ही बराबर जो फोन देखते हैं ना, वो हाथ उठाओ, उनके घर पे आके मैं फोन लेके जाने वाला हूं. फोन नहीं देखना है, बिकॉज द मोमेंट यू वेक अप योर आईज गेट सो सेंसिटिव व्हेन यू यूज द स्क्रीन, and it will absorb all the negativity. Because if one bad news you hear on WhatsApp or Facebook or wherever, gone, your day ka temperature is set for negative. So first 10-20 minutes phone mat dekho. 2 to 5 minutes, how much time you should do? 5 minutes on the timer. Agar 5 minutes mein haath dard hoga, so do for 2 minutes. Your hand will pain in 5 minutes. This will burn. So do 2 minutes, take a break. Do 2 minutes, take a break. And night before you sleep, the last thing before you sleep. Now this is a golden, what do you say? Golden mantra. What I use for my life is, last 5-10 minutes or half an hour, I will watch one comedy, stand-up comedy, or some comedy show or something which will make me laugh to the core. Even if I'm finishing a horror movie at 9 o'clock and I'm sleeping at 10, 9 to 10, I'll watch funny videos only, cat, dog, whatever. Because last 1 hour decides what you will do in the dreams. Nightmares aayenge, stress hoga, and your functions will depend on that. If your internal functions are not running smooth, because raat ko sone ke pehle some negative things you absorb in the breath, in the prana, from the internet or from anywhere. So that has to be avoided. So this is one breathing. Now abhi mujhe bahut logon ka message aaya hai ki sir nostril band hua to kya karenge. Now any nostril is closed, very powerful. You can do this 2 ways, either lying down. abhi main lie down karunga to nahi dikh payega, but lying down or sitting. See, I am connected to the wall पे आप कनेक्ट हो जाए या बैक का सपोर्ट ले ले. दोनों हाथों को पेट पे रखें, पेट पे रखें. एंड एवरी ब्रीदिंग योर स्टमक हैज टू ब्लो लाइक अ बलून. सो इनहेल किया, बलून बनना चाहिए, and exhale. Breathe in from the nose. You can exhale from the mouth like you're blowing the candle. Breathe in from the nose. Make it a balloon and breathe in from the nose. Last one. Exhale from the mouth and relax them. Slowly open the eyes. What is this called? This is also called Sahaj Pranayama. Sahaj Pranayama. The English name is simple breathing, simple stomach breathing, and Sanskrit name Sahaj Pranayam. इतना सिंपल है, नेचुरल है. नाउ मुंह से क्यों एक्सेल करना है, नाक से क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि नाक तो बंद है ना, वैसे भी एक नाक तो बंद है, राइट? तो मुंह से करेंगे तो ज्यादा एक्सेलेशन होगा. नाउ व्हेन यू मीट some friend or someone after years or months, how do you react? How do you breathe? Oh, you breathe out from the mouth. Hi mera bachcha, right? You reply that way, right? So why? Because that's a natural way. You exhale out from the mouth, and the stress hormone or the stress cortisol, stress chemical in your body goes down. एंड स्टमक ब्रीदिंग क्यों करना है? आप चेस्ट तक ब्रीथ कर, बहुत लोग, many people in this group will also be breathing till chest only. What do? Lie down on the stomach and keep I don't have a book right now, but half kg book, half kg moti book on your stomach, and make sure that every breathing the book is going up and down. This breathing is the only breathing you can do lying down on the back. स्टमक ऊपर नीचे होना चाहिए, एंड आधा किलो की बुक आपके पेट पे रखनी है. उससे क्या होगा? आपके डायफ्रेम, नाउ व्हाट इज अ डायफ्रेम? चेस्ट, लंग्स, और यहां पे एक पतली सी चादर है, एक स्मॉल शीट, वेरी स्मॉल शीट। स्टमक नीचे है, जो बलून बना था, सब लोगों को बलून बना था, वो स्टमक, राइट? बलून के ऊपर देयर इज अ स्मॉल शीट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट takes care of your lungs. That is a support divider between the stomach and the lungs. So you need to make your divider very strong. That's why stomach breathing. If you do stomach breathing, that muscle is exercised to its maximum. If you do chest breathing, stress आएगा, tension आएगा, because stomach तक breath नहीं जा रहा है, diaphragm use नहीं हो रहा है, and chemical गड़बड़ will start. Stress will start because your breath is not actually reaching to the corners of the lung, and your diaphragm is getting weaker and weaker. How do you change it? 1/2 kilo or 1 kg book on the stomach, lying down on the back, and move your stomach up and down. ये नहीं हो रहा है, बैठ के करो, खाली हाथ पेट पे रखना है, and expand and contract, expand and contract. That's it. So these are 2 breathing exercises which you can do any time of the day. There is no harm. Now, who cannot do this Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam? कौन लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं? जिनको हाथ में पेन है, वो नहीं कर सकते, पहला, ठीक है? दूसरा, नॉस्ट्रिल दोनों बंद है, बहुत सर्दी जुकाम हो रही है, दोनों नॉस्ट्रिल बंद है, तो स्टीम ले लेना है। ना प्रमिला जी कह रहे कि स्टमक पे, ना स्टमक पे कैसे करना है? You have to keep your palms on your stomach here. Now you can keep it down, little down on the stomach, where your navel center is. Navel center, बस वहीं पे. That's where you will feel the stomach expansion. Making it a balloon and then exhale. ऐसे, ठीक है? So that's the second alternative to Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Sahaj Pranayam is what you can do. So I was telling precautions. Hand pain, avoid it. नॉस्ट्रल्स बंद है, स्टीम ले लो और सहज प्राणायाम करो. Who cannot do सहज प्राणायाम, the stomach breathing? Unless and everyone on the planet can do सहज प्राणायाम. There is no harmful effects. You can do it for 5 hours, no problem. It will become vipassana. In vipassana, the meditation where you are silent for 10 days, उसमें बोलते हैं पहले नाक पे ध्यान दो, ठंडी और गर्म सांसें आ रही है, फिर बोलेंगे पेट पे ध्यान दो, पेट बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं बढ़ रहा है, ताकि breathing is going till stomach or not. So that's how it becomes breathing becomes meditation. Breathing becomes meditation. So meditation is not something कि you should zero your mind in 1 day or 1 hour. मेरा mind रुकता ही नहीं है. I don't. 90% of my students come and tell me that I cannot stop my mind. I tell the same thing. I also cannot stop my mind. There is no chance. The function of the mind is to run like a monkey. The function of the mind is to run like a monkey. What you have to learn is to tame that monkey. That's it. You cannot stop the monkey from jumping from one tree to the other. No. But you can be aware that when it is jumping from one place to the other, you are not associating yourself with that monkey. बहुत जरूरी है ये समझना कि हम हमारे इमोशंस नहीं हैं. हम जो थॉट्स चल रहे हैं, एक्सट्रीम नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव चल रहा है, एक्सट्रीम नो. अच्छा, कितनों ने सोचा कि अगर इफ आई विन अ 100 करोड़ लॉटरी टुमारो, ऐसा कितनों ने नहीं सोचते. बट कितनों ने सोचा है कोविड आ गया तो ये स्ट्रेस हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, ऐसा कर दुनिया का, कितनों ने सोचा है? एवरीवन थॉट अबाउट इट, राइट? वर्ल्ड विल एंड. बट पॉजिटिव एक्सट्रीम वी डोंट थिंक, एंड दैट्स वेयर द माइंड इज डिजाइन्ड दैट वे. Mind is designed to protect you. So for protection, it gives you little fear. कि डर जाओ, अभी ये हो जाएगा, डर जाओ, वो हो जाएगा. So you behave little disciplined. But if you are already disciplined, you don't need fear. And this discipline comes with breathing, because breathing can control or balance your emotions. It will give you the power not to react. Right? Now, let's do simple 2 minutes, 1-2 minutes of meditation, very simple, easy meditation, and then we'll move to questions. So back straight, again, shoulders relaxed. And this time you're resting your palms on your thigh, on the knee, and like this, upwards, facing upwards, khule. You can shake your hands and bas, ha, ekdam relaxed. And aankhein band, keeping the back straight, eyes closed, and taking slow and steady inhalation. And exhale from the mouth, making the ha sound. Slowly ha exhalation karna hai. Inhale from your nose and exhale with the ha. As you breathe, observe your breath going into the stomach and exhale with the ha, releasing all the stress, the tension from the mouth. Inhale from your nose. Exhale with a ha. Now, keeping the eyes closed, focusing on your forehead. First thing, saying thank you to the God, to the divine, to the universe, to whoever you believe in. Thank you that you are healthy. You can attend this session. You're able to meditate. You can listen to my voice. Giving gratitude, धन्यवाद देना है अपने शरीर को. कितने लोग आज उठे ही नहीं, आज का दिन ही नहीं देखा उन्होंने. So I'm grateful I'm alive. Gratitude कि मेरे अभी भी बॉडी के फंक्शंस चल रहे हैं अच्छे से. I'm grateful that all the functions in my body are working beautifully. Now, giving gratitude to your parents. First energy who brought you on this planet. Gratitude to your mom. धन्यवाद देना है अपने mom को, अपने mother को और अपने father को. चाहे जो भी बैर रहा हो बचपन में, forgive that, leave that, and simply say thank you to your parents in your heart, in your mind, and take a long deep breath in, because that's why you are here. Exhale with a ha. Ha exhalation. 2 more times. Inhale from your nose. Exhale with a ha. Now giving gratitude to your kids, to your partner, to your husband, to your wife. जैसे भी हम हैं, उन्होंने हमको झेला. जितनी भी हमने मस्ती की, शरारत की, कभी गुस्सा कर दिया, कभी प्यार कर दिया, all our tantrums our partner has happily accepted. Give gratitude to your partner. धन्यवाद दे अपने पार्टनर, अपने हस्बैंड, अपने वाइफ को, और एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें. Exhale with a ha. 3 times. Inhale with the nostrils. Exhale with a ha. Last one. Long deep breath in. Exhale with a ha. Now, very slowly breathing in and moving your fingers, moving your chin from right to left very slowly. Now, rubbing your palms together. When you feel the warmth of your palms, हाथों में थोड़ी गर्मी लगेगी, तब आंखों पे कप करना है, फेस पे मूव करना है, neck, shoulders, upper body, stomach, hands, and slowly opening the eyes. Thank you. I hope you liked it, and for sure, thank you. So now, Madhuji, any questions and anything you didn't understand, please बताएं.
The question should be asked by one. Raise your hand and ask your question, please.
Are you on YouTube, sir?
I am. I will. So, बहुत lazy हूँ तो मैं कभी-कभी डालता हूँ. So है YouTube channel active है. सारे breathing exercise जो मैंने सिखाया, सब कुछ है वहाँ पे. No
Thank
problem.
you, sir.
No problem. Thank you. any questions which you, any breathing exercise you didn't understand, any timings, or this last one we did a simple gratitude meditation. Exhaling with a ha helps a lot. Ha is a very powerful emotional release. Ha.
Can I say something?
Yes.
नारी शोधन जो करते हैं वो ये सेम एक्सरसाइज है. नारी शोधन बहुत स्लोली इनहेल करना है एंड वेरी स्लोली यू हैव टू एक्सहेल एंड विद द काउंटिंग. सपोज यू आर काउंटिंग फ्रॉम 1 to 10. 1 to 10 inhaling and then exhaling 1 to 10. मतलब it should be counting and the number should be same. That नारी शोधन is correct. The exercise.
Yes, Razia ji, it is absolutely correct. But as a beginner, because हम बहुत सारे mix students हैं, तो as a beginner आप 5 का काउंटिंग कर सकते हैं, नहीं भी किया तो चलेगा. तो inhale for 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and exhale for 1 2 3 4 5. Now 10 थोड़ा लंबा हो जाता है. Normally सांस लेने को 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then and रोकना नहीं है बीच में. अगर रोकेंगे तो बहुत एडवांस ब्रीदिंग हो जाती है. तो नेवर टू होल्ड द ब्रेथ. इनहेल फ्रॉम वन साइड, एक्सहेल. तो 1:1 का रेशियो. थैंक यू.
I would say something.
1 to 10 count. 1 to 10 को स्टॉप करना है, वो ब्लॉक करना है. 1 to 10 से एक्सहेल करना है. इसी तरह से राइट से ब्लॉक करना है, एक्सहेल करना है.
करेक्ट. सो अगर आपकी आदत 10 तक की है तो आप वो 10 कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं.
Hello.
Yes, Hira.
Hello.
It's for
Can I
Hira.
say something?
Yeah, Hira, please go ahead. Can't hear you. Sorry. Your audio is not good. Hira, yeah.
No, it is correct.
Yeah, now please ask. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hello, I want to ask you one question.
Yeah.
Hello.
Excuse
Yeah,
me.
I want to know whether if we do only this breathing exercise, what we showed, is it okay? Complete yoga need not be done? Or only every day we do this, is it okay?
These two breathing exercise to mentally relax ourselves, and there are no precautions to these breathing exercise. हबील जी, precaution नहीं है, मतलब कोई भी कर सकता है, कभी भी कर सकता है, आपको harmful effects नहीं होगा with these two breathing. That's why I only chose these two.
Hello.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Hello.
Yes, Hira ji.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
सर मैं कभी भी डीप भी कहती हूँ तो अपने स्टमक से नहीं होता है मुझे.
Right.
अपने स्टमक अंदर जाता है और बाहर निकलेंगे में स्टमक बाहर आता है.
Right. So
I cannot take a deep breath.
right. So,
स्टमक अंदर जाता है, डीप पीना और निकल जाए, स्टमक बाहर आता है.
I think she's saying it when she breathes in, then it's the
yes.
That's
So-
what she wants to know.
Right. So उनके लिए I have already given the homework. I'll repeat that. Everyone जिनको ये है कि उल्टा हो रहा है breathing, जब inhale कर रहे हैं तो stomach है ना अंदर जा रहा है. हाँ, ये उल्टा हो रहा है तो I'll just get a book. ये stomach पे ना हमको book रख के सोना है. Stomach है ना, stomach पे book रखें. It's a half kg book, at least half kilo book. ताकि क्या होगा, your function of the stomach, the diaphragm will correct. क्योंकि अभी diaphragm का function थोड़ा उल्टा है. Inhale करा तो stomach अंदर जाता है और exhale किया तो बाहर आता है. तो इससे stress बढ़ सकता है. That's why you can get stress. That's why the book breathing I have given you, the book breathing.
सर चेस्ट और स्टोमक दोनों एक साथ नहीं आता है. चेस्ट अंदर जाता है तो स्टोमक बाहर.
हाँ, so that is perfect. That is perfect. प्रेमा कुमार जी, that is perfect.
चेस्ट ऐसे करते हुए तो पेट अंदर चला जाता है.
No, that is, you're doing perfect breathing, Prema Kumar ji. That is the natural way it will happen. Either the chest ऊपर जाएगा या stomach. दोनों में से दोनों नहीं जाएगा.
सर पेट लेकिन क्या होना चाहिए? चेस्ट ऊपर पेट अंदर जाता है.
So when you breathe, ideally your chest has to come very little, but stomach has to expand like a balloon. Stomach को गोल होना है बड़ा.
अच्छा. Okay, sir. I got it.
Can I say something?
Yes, Reena ji, yeah, पूछिए.
I want to ask कि स्टीमिंग हमें कितने दिन में करनी चाहिए या डेली करनी चाहिए या कैसे करनी चाहिए?
I would recommend at least 5 to 7 minutes ठंडियों के सीजन में डेली करें चलेगा. ठंडी के सीजन में, विंटर सीजन में आप डेली 5 to 7 मिनट स्टीम ले ले चलेगा. गर्मियों के सीजन में आप हफ्ते में 2 बार 3 बार, बिकॉज तभी आपको जुकाम सर्दी अगर नहीं है तो वीकली ट्वाइस थ्राइस चलेगा. बट नाउ विंटर्स एटलीस्ट 5 to 7 मिनट्स एवरी डे.
बट आई विल टेल यू कि जब से ये हुआ कोविड, मैंने 2 बार किया होगा स्टीमिंग. मैंने स्टीमिंग कभी की नहीं.
नहीं ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज स्टीमिंग कोविड के लिए नहीं, प्राणायाम के लिए जरूरी है. बिकॉज
आई नो इट इज फॉर प्राणायाम, क्योंकि इस टाइम में शुरू किया है.
राइट.
और मुझे एक बात बहुत आपकी पसंद आई.
बोलिए.
हाँ, एक बात मुझे बहुत आपकी पसंद आई कि जो आपने कहा कि जब उठेंगे वही ब्रह्म मुहूर्त है. बिकॉज आई स्लीप लेट एंड गेट अप लेट.
Correct. That is true.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Hello. Excuse me. Yeah, this steam inhalation we can do anytime before sleeping.
Yes, before sleeping and 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes before sleeping, and as you wake up. जब भी आप उठेंगे उसके आधे पौने घंटे में अगर आप कर ले ब्रीदिंग, ये 2 समय कर सकते हैं.
Thank you.
Thank you अबीर जी.
सर प्राणायाम करते समय होल्ड नहीं करने का क्या? एक्सेल
जरा भी होल्डिंग नहीं, बिकॉज होल्डिंग के लिए आपने बहुत साल प्रैक्टिस कर रही होनी चाहिए, वरना ब्लड प्रेशर ऊपर हो जाएगा. तो प्लीज कान पकड़िए, लेकिन अपना ब्रेथ मत पकड़िए, रोक के मत रखिए. ठीक है.
हमने प्रैक्टिस अगर है तभी भी होल्ड नहीं करना है.
नहीं मत करिए, बिकॉज क्या है, अगर होल्ड किया ना ब्रीदिंग तो ब्लड प्रेशर ऊपर जाएगा. हमको ब्लड प्रेशर ऊपर नहीं लाना है, नॉर्मल रखना है और आराम रखना है.
ओके सर, मेरे को ब्लड प्रेशर है भी.
हाँ, तो ब्रेथ होल्ड करना ही नहीं है, वेरी डेंजरस. यस रेखा, गो अहेड.
Yes, hello Ronak, thanks for this wonderful session.
Thank you.
अगर नाक खुला हो, नोस्ट्रिल क्लोज होने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तब तो स्टीम की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं स्टीम.
ओके, तो आप स्टीम बस इसलिए बता रहे हो ताकि नोस्ट्रिल खुल जाए ना? There is no other.
So
You said na, it is also for lungs when you are doing the steaming.
correct.
You clear your lungs also.
Right, correct.
Yeah.
So Pramila ji already answered, but I'll just add on to it. It's very important for a pranayam practitioner और जिनको breathing का power बढ़ाना है अपना, ये lungs को अच्छा रखना है, steam करेंगे तो आप देखो, हम ना कह के भी अगर 5 मिनट रोड पे खड़े रहते हैं, रोड पे कुछ भी सामान लेने के लिए, we are inhaling so much of dust particles and dirt. तो स्टीम से वो सब तो क्लियर हो जाएगा आपका. 5 मिनट 3 मिनट डेली अगर स्टीम करे तो बस उसी लिए.
Yes, Hasina, please go ahead.
फिक्स टाइम तो नहीं रखना है ना स्टीमिंग के लिए. कोई भी टाइम दिन में कर सकते हैं.
कोई भी टाइम करे, कोई भी टाइम करे.
अच्छा सर, मुझे कभी भी सर्दी और खांसी नहीं होती, कभी भी नहीं होती है, फिर भी मुझे करने की जरूरत है.
आप सब्जी लेने बाहर जाते हैं हसीना जी?
नहीं, घर पे ही हूँ, मैं नहीं जाती बहुत.
हाँ, अगर बाहर कम जाते हैं, अगर इंडल्जेंस नहीं है घर के बाहर जाना, तो आपको पोल्यूशन नहीं आ रहा है. पोल्यूशन नहीं आ रहा है तो स्टीम का जरूरत नहीं है.
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Very nice, very informative.
Anyone
So
else?
we are doing pranayama every day, but there is always something to learn. Questions, always questions are there. That is good.
Okay, we are done with the questions. I'll ask GK to please give vote of thanks. GK, are you there?
Yeah. Yes, I am there. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, all friends. I consider it a great privilege for giving the vote of thanks for today's session. Mr. Raunak Gajjar, who has had a varied experience in all different types of pranayam as well as other meditational techniques, has given us some new dimensions in respect of breathing. He has told us about the power of breath, that it controls the mental stress, anxiety, and every emotion in our body. So the main points which he has covered, I think I should repeat once so that all of us remember that. One is that when we do the pranayam, we should sit straight with our spine directly, because it is the prana shakti which is being absorbed in our body from the air which is outside. So that prana shakti goes through the spine, and therefore it is necessary for us to keep our spine straight and get that prana shakti absorbed, which also helps in the calming down of the brain. Then the slower you breathe, the more is the absorption in the body. Therefore, it is necessary for us to breathe as slow as possible and also not hold the breath, because in old age, generally the blood pressure is at a high level, higher than the normal. Therefore, it is necessary that we don't hold the breath so that the BP doesn't go up. So we do only inhalation through one nostril, exhalation through the other, and again inhalation through the other and exhalation through the first nostril. So this helps balance the mind and our body. And as he said, they crossing in the head, that is in the forehead, from the left nostril to the right brain and right nostril to the left side of the brain. And also he has said that the most appropriate times for breathing is as soon as you get up in the morning, and again in the night before going to bed. And before going to bed, he said, you don't watch TV serials which bring about negativity. And he said, as his own practice, he is watching some comic which calms the brain and brings happiness. So we should also try to follow that. If you don't watch anything, it is good, but better not to watch anything negative. He also said about the Sahaj Pranayam, which is simple breathing and lying down and keeping a weight of 0.5 kilo or 1 kilo on the stomach and doing the breathing with full bloating of the stomach. This helps the strengthening of the diaphragm, which is essential for the lungs. And finally, he said that breathing becomes meditation, because the mind being a monkey, it keeps thinking a lot all the time. And it is a breathing which we do properly, which controls. So therefore, it is necessary. And in the end, he said, we should also do the gratitude meditation for the God, for the Almighty, for the parents, and for our wives, children, and all of us. I think he has brought out all these points in a novel way than what generally pranayam is being taught. We have had so many sessions of pranayams, and each one has talked about something new. And this time also we have had a lot of new ideas from Mr. Raunak. We thank, on behalf of all of us, I thank Mr. Raunak Gajjar for having given us this beautiful session. And also I thank Madhu Gaur for having arranged this lovely session. And for all the participants. I think there were total about 84 participants who had attended today. I thank all the participants also for having taken part in this. Thank you.
Again,
Thank
come again for us.
you, DK. Thank you, everyone.
The
Thank
one
you.